Yay, sports. My name is Nisha and this is my channel, Lose Your Veganity, where I show you tips and tricks on how to live a more compassionate life for the earth, the animals, and yourself. So if any of that interests you, go ahead and click my subscribe button to Lose Your Veganity. It doesn't hurt at all, it only takes a second. I wanted this to be a series, but it's not. Finally able to make 3 of the 7 recipes I had planned, which was such a bummer, but I mean, I think better late than never. Okay. I tried to make stuff that would be helpful for me as a new vegan, like 4 years. Has it been really 4 years already? Wow, I'm getting old. But I would have loved to have some Super Bowl recipes that were like delicious and I don't know, stuff that my friends would actually eat, like stuff that I wouldn't bring in. They would like start making fun of me for bringing in. And these are recipes that I've made that I've actually impressed my friends and family who are not vegan, and they don't really take very long to make. I will show you guys the recipes in this next clip. Bye!
First, we're going to start off with these carrot weenies in a blanket. Now take 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Add your carrots and saute them for literally like 2 minutes. You just want them to kind of get a little brown. As you can see, they just change slightly in color. You don't want to have soft weenies. You want to have them a little crunchy in the middle. Then take your Pillsbury original crescent rolls. These specific ones are vegan. And open it and scare yourself because they make a loud noise. Roll them out. Cut them up into little strips so you can wrap your little weenies so that they look like this when they're done. Ooh. Bake them at 425 for 5 minutes and they're done. And I serve them alongside with this thick grain Sir Kensington mustard. It is really good and I'd highly recommend like a mustard or some kind of like cheesy dip on the side. They just taste really good. Now we're gonna start on this quick, light, and fresh Cowboy Caviar salsa. Start off with a diced red and yellow bell pepper. Then add 2 diced avocados, 1 can of the Cowboy Caviar rinsed black-eyed peas, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Mix it all together so that all the flavors are combined, and then serve it on the side with some tortilla chips. This is so delicious, and it's a little more fresh and exciting than just a jar of salsa on the table. You know what I mean? Now I'm going to show you how to make these delicious loaded baked potato skins. I want one right now. First, bake half the amount of the potato skins you want to make. Now cut them in half. Now you have double magic. Scoop out the middles and then add cheese. Lots of cheese. More cheese than I put here. I used Follow Your Heart cheddar. Now bake that dish again until the cheese melts. And then you're going to have these awesome baked potato skins. I like to garnish mine with black olives and chives, and I used this cashew cream sour cream dip recipe that I'll link below. It's not mine, so I didn't feel right sharing it, but I want you guys to know about it because it's really, really good. And that is it. Of course, if you're making this for omnivores instead of cheese, because our omnivorous friends often do not like plant-based cheese, you can do this with like a nice butter or an olive oil and salt and make them super savory and delicious and crispy and savory instead of having that cheese.
Alright everybody, I hope you liked the video and the recipes. If you guys do make any of these, please be sure to tag me on Instagram or message me your pictures of it. I love seeing when you guys make them, and I really like hearing like what you guys thought about them. I love when I hear like, oh, this was perfect, it was salty enough for me. Oh, I added kale to this and it really enhanced the flavor, because then I will make them myself and enjoy them even more because of you guys. So yeah, definitely check out my Instagram if you want to keep more in touch with me. I do Insta stories pretty much every day. You can see what I'm eating, what I'm doing, and keep on with all the craziest that goes on in my life. And if you haven't checked out The Vegan View yet, what are you doing? It is excellent and I love it. And I don't know, it's a really, really fun talk show that me and my friends have about questions that a bunch of new vegans have, and we're trying to make the vegan community a better, more compassionate, understanding, supportive place, and I really like what we've been doing. So definitely check that out. I'll link everything below, and I'll see you guys next time in a new video. Bye!
What do you eat? What about meat? What about protein? What about